In this video, I will share how we can avoid MACD fake signals like this and only take signals like this. Before we dive into the signal filtration, it's important to understand how MACD works. By default, you will see three plotting inside the indicator panel. One is a blue line, an orange line, and these histograms. Now, if we look inside the inputs panel, we can see the default settings for MACD calculation. The fast length, slow length, source, and oscillator MA type are the fields which influence the MACD line calculation. Now, if we take out the histograms and the signal line, then the remaining blue line is the actual MACD line. The MACD line by default calculated based on 2 EMS or exponential moving averages. Now, if we add those exact 2 EMS on the chart as they are used to calculate the MACD line, they will look like this. Red line here is the fast EMA and the green line is the slow EMA. Now, if we subtract the slow EMA value from the fast EMA value, we will get the MACD value. For example, on this vertical line, if we compare the values, we can see our slow EMA value is 183.264 and the fast EMA value is 183.51. Now we subtract the slow EMA value from the fast EMA value and we get exactly our MACD value here, which is 0.246. There are few indications we can get just by looking at the MACD line. First, when the MACD is above 0 and rising, that simply means we are in a bullish market and momentum is also bullish. When the MACD is above 0 but falling, that means we are either losing the bullish momentum or there is a bearish reversal happening. And when the MACD is below 0 and falling, that means we are in a bearish market and momentum is also bearish. When the MACD is below 0 but rising, that means we are either losing the bearish momentum or there is a bullish reversal happening. Next, let's add the signal line, which is this orange line. The MACD signal line is the moving average of the MACD line itself. It is calculated by taking a shorter term moving average of the MACD line. The purpose of the MACD signal line is to generate trading signals. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it suggests a potential bullish or buy signal, indicating that it may be a good time to enter a long position. Conversely, when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it indicates a potential bearish or sell signal, suggesting it may be a good time to exit or consider a short position. And the last plot is the histogram. To calculate histogram, we subtract the MACD signal line value from the MACD oscillator line value. For example, on this wide vertical line, MACD signal line value is 0.199, MACD oscillator line value is 0.246. Now, if we subtract the signal line value from the oscillator value, we get 0.047, which is the histogram value. As I have mentioned earlier, when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it suggests a potential bullish or buy signal. And when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it indicates a potential bearish or sell signal. Now, if we look at this area here, we can see there are so many random cross up and cross down here. We need a solution to avoid these random signals during low momentum and take only these types of signals during high momentum. To do that, we will use the MACD fake filter RH indicator, which is completely free to use and available publicly. To open the MACD fake filter RH indicator on your chart, simply click on indicator, write MACD fake filter RH inside the search bar and click MACD fake filter RH. This indicator does exactly what MACD does but adds an extra feature, which is it plots a green line above zero line, which is the average of all positive waves, and a red line below the zero line, which is the average of all the negative waves. If we avoid crosses which occur inside the green and red line and only take crosses which occur above the green line and below the red line, we can avoid this type of fake signals and take signals like these which are automatically plotted. So that is it for this video. Please let us know what you think about this video. If you found value in this video, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our future videos.